Here's a 2015 Lexus ES350. Once you arrive on the scene in this luxury sedan, people will instantly know things about you. You are aggressive, assertive, and demand only the best. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, performance in every detail. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.